Campbell under fire for comments on Jodian Fearon and mental health.
If you can recall, we lost one Jodian Fearon whilst the JLP was busy campaigning in Southeast Clarendon. This was in the earlier part of this year when they should have been busy putting the measures in place.
This video is brought to you by Fountain Mighty Roots.
Audrey, I must commend you. Nice wig.
Wig? Darling, this is all natural. Thanks to Fountain Mighty Roots. Fountain Mighty Roots is the best hair product coming out of Jamaica. Real black Jamaican castor oil and the pimento. It gives my hair a more healthier, bouncy, richer look. Even good for the edges.
Edges? Where can I get it?
Log onto your website, fountainoil.com, and even on Amazon. Fountain Mighty Roots. It's here to save your hair. You owe it to your roots.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
People's National Party debater Dr. Dayton Campbell is under fire for mentioning the death of Jodian Fearon, as well as appearing to joke about the issue of mental health in Tuesday night's social issue debate. Campbell accused the Jamaica Labour Party of giving more attention to the by-election in Clarendon South East than to the life of the first-time mom. Fearon died in April at the University Hospital of the West Indies under controversial circumstances, hours after delivering her baby. Campbell made a remark as he took a swipe at the government's handling of healthcare. This after the JLP's Dr. Christopher Tufton defended the administration's management of the sector.
Well, the Jamaica Labour Party government, it is not true to say that they were well prepared. If you can recall, we lost one Jodian Fearon whilst the JLP was busy campaigning in Southeast Clarendon. This was in the earlier part of this year when they should have been busy putting the measures in place.
Following the utterance, Tufton, who is the Health and Wellness Minister, hit back at Campbell, noting that Fearon died on the 24th of April and that the by-election was held on the 2nd of March, calling his remark unfortunate. In admonishing Campbell, he urged him to apologize to Fearon's family.
Well, you know, the only unfortunate inaccuracy that took place here tonight, and I'm really disappointed, is the statement by the member to my opposite, blaming COVID-19 and campaigning to Jodian Fearon's death. And it's rather unfortunate, and I think, frankly speaking, he should at some point during the proceeding apologize to the family members. The truth is, Jodian Fearon died on April 24th. The by-election in Southeast Clarendon was on March 2nd. There's absolutely no relationship between the two. And I think that is what causes panic. And we must be careful when we have people's lives to manage and provide leadership for, that we do not court this type of panic. We are doing the best we can, and the Jamaican people is with us as it relates to managing the COVID pandemic.
Dr. Tufton.
Despite the suggestion to apologize from the health minister, Dr. Campbell doubled down.
I just want to take the time to address something that was said earlier by Dr. Tufton. The fact of the matter is that when Jodian Fearon died, the Ministry of Health would have known that COVID was in China from November of 2019. They should have been making the necessary preparation at the time when they were having the by-election. The transportation protocol was not
Thank you so much, Dr. Campbell. Natalie has the next question. Natalie has the next.
Social media users were further incensed by Campbell when picking up from Tufton, mentioning that 1 in 4 people suffered from mental illness. Said even in this room, this is so.
Mental illness is no joke. It is a serious thing. The fact that 4 out of every 10 Jamaicans is affected speaks to the fact that even in this very room, there are persons who are affected. Certainly not over on this side.
Social media users then began calling for him to be substituted from the panel, stating that his comments were vile and disgusting.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.